The tiny mighty action camera is finally on my hand, and guys, for today's video we are going to do a quick unboxing of this Insta360 GO 3S. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do consider subscribing by clicking on that subscribe button below. And guys, yeah, let's do it. Let's do a quick unboxing of this Insta360 GO 3S. So let's start by, of course, opening the box. And that is how I unbox smartphones as well. So yeah, as what you guys can see here, you can pull this paper right here so you can take out this little box as well that comes inside the box. I have a strong feeling that this one right here consists of the user manual, and yes, I'm right guys, it consists of the user manual, video tutorials, and also the Insta360 app. So you can download the Insta360 app by scanning this QR code, or you can just search it on the App Store. So let's just put this away first and let's go straight into the camera. So what's more inside the box guys is I think we have here a quick user guide before the camera itself. So it says here to pull this one, this blue one right here. So after you flip that one, there you go. You can see all the functions of each buttons on the camera, and yeah, we're gonna read that one later on. I know how excited you guys are to see all the accessories and the camera itself inside the box, which makes me think that skipping all these papers and reading all the functions is not the first thing to do, or not the best thing to do when doing an unboxing video. So I'm gonna stop talking right now and I'm gonna be showing you all the accessories that comes inside the box of the Insta360 GO 3S. So first thing that we have here in the box is this magnetic pendant, and actually this magnetic pendant extends all the way right there. Yes guys, and you can actually adjust depending on how long you want the pendant is going to be on your shirt if you're going to be wearing this one when you are filming with a camera. So I personally think this one is one of the best accessories of the Insta360 GO 3S. As what you guys can see here, when you wear it as a pendant, you can actually mount the Insta360 GO 3S either on landscape mode or on a vertical position. So yeah, that's the first accessory that we have in the box. And next guys is we have this mount right here. So this mount right here is where you can stick your Insta360 GO 3S wherever you go. So this mount right here is, I think, very important as well, because this mount is going to flexibly allow you to stick your Insta360 GO 3S on a flat surface. All you have to do to use this one is remove this film right here. And as what you guys can see, this one right here is a sticker, but this right here is not just a normal sticker, because this sticker for me is a heavy-duty sticker. And it also says here guys that after using, you can actually reuse this one, which is really cool. You can just actually wash this one with a tap water and just put the cover back on, and after that you can use this one for how many times. You just have to make sure that after sticking this one to any surface, you're washing or cleaning it with the tap water before you put this back in the box. So the next exciting accessory that we have in the box is this one. You can clip this one in your cap. This accessory is going to easily help you by filming that POV shot that you want, and you're gonna insert this little thing right here. You're just gonna put this one right here and then you're good to go. So the next accessory that we have is this one right here. This is a cold shoe mount for your Insta360 GO 3S, and through this mount you can actually attach the main body of the camera. And yeah, this part right here is also magnetic, so as what you guys can see, it holds the Insta360 GO 3S camera really well, and it really doesn't fall. So these are the 4 accessories that comes inside the box of your Insta360 GO 3S, and I personally think that these accessories are very essential, especially when creating videos using this tiny camera, since these accessories would allow you to mount your Insta360 GO 3S anywhere you want. So right now, let's proceed to the moment of truth, the camera, or the tiny mighty camera itself, the Insta360 GO 3S. And there you have it guys. Look at how cute the color black is. I usually see a lot of creators buying the white one, but I think the color black one is really sleek looking, and you won't get any dirt on this one because, you know, it's color black and the dirt is not going to be visible on this black one. And if ever you drop this one and it's gonna have some scratches, I think the scratches are not going to be that visible as well, since this one is color black, and for me color black looks more sleek compared to color white. That at least is my own opinion. After reading this one guys, I found out that this one is the action pod. Yes, they call this one an action pod and not the main body, or the main body of the Insta360 GO 3S. And this tiny one right here is what they call the GO 3S. And as what you guys can see, I was able to remove the small camera from the action pod itself. And also the best part of this one is its screen is flippable. Yeah. Look at that. If you're shooting a video on your own inside your room and no one's gonna be filming you, you don't have to worry guys because it has a flip screen. And for this one right here is really a big help, especially if you really want to make sure that you are framed right. Or shall I say, you want to make sure that you are at the center of the frame. So yeah, this one is a big help, especially to all travel content creators out there. So guys, let's remove the protective films. And yeah, that looks flawless. So these numbers right here is a step-by-step guide on how you're going to remove the Go 3S from the action pod. So the first thing that we need to do is we are going to press this button right here. And finally, you can now remove the Insta360 GO 3S. So that is how easy it is. And yeah, let me put it back. And also I'm gonna move this one and also this one on the screen. So there you have it, guys. Guys, look at how cute this action camera is. Oh my goodness, I'm already obsessed with how it looks. It's really nice, it's really cutesy. It's very mindful, it's very demure, very considerate. I actually love how the screen is really going to be quickly flipped whenever you want to see yourself. And yeah, let's turn this on. Guys, look at this. Wait, let me adjust its brightness first, so you guys can see the screen clearly of this Insta360 GO 3S. And look at how wide the angle is. Look at this, guys. I'm just putting my hand near on its lens and look at how wide angle this camera is. And you can actually turn this into ultra mode, de-warp, narrow, and also an action mode here. And yeah, I think this one is really pretty sick. With a very compact size of the Go 3S that can be detachable from its action pod, I think that one is really amazing. I can still monitor my video or the thing that I'm recording. I can stick it to the accessories. It's very convenient to use. Look at that. Imagine yourself wearing this one, wearing this pendant right here, and you're going to attach this one in your shirt or under your shirt. That is pretty sick, guys. You can actually turn it on a landscape mode. And also, guys, as what I told you a while ago, you can use this one on your hat. So for example, you're going to be filming or while you are running, so you can film using this one. It's perfect for POV shots on the visor of your hat. Yeah, this one could really hold up, and I think this one is one of the best accessories that comes inside the box of the Insta360 GO 3S. So for the full vlog of this Insta360 GO 3S, this very cutesy, very demure, very tiny mighty action camera, I'm gonna be doing a full review about this Insta360 GO 3S. But guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right now, since this is just a quick unboxing and for you guys to see what's inside the box of this Insta360 GO 3S. And a while ago, we also discussed my first impressions with the design of this camera. I think that would be it for this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this, because for sure I'm going to make tons and tons of videos using this Insta360 GO 3S. And guys, before you leave, if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider liking or giving us a thumbs up. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, because from now on, guys, I'm gonna be active here on YouTube and also on the other apps. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing more long-form videos for y'all. And as always, thank you so much, guys, for your support. Once again, this is me, your tech guy Jude, saying goodbye and peace.